The first quarter of the year has been nothing short of remarkable for Mount. We crossed 3 lakh plus square meter of order booking and production in a single month, marking our highest ever achievement. Our commitment to excellence was recognized with the ET Business Conclave Award for Excellence in Advanced Roofing and Structural Solutions. We expanded our manufacturing capabilities with the launch of our UPVC roofing sheet plant and self-drilling screws plant. From achieving another PEB execution milestone in Hyderabad to securing our largest ever single order of 50,000 square meter, we continued raising the bar. We strengthened our industry presence through 6 major expos across India and proudly opened our first ever Mount Shoppy. This quarter also marked another step forward with AI going live at Mount, making our operations smarter and more efficient. We expanded our brand visibility through wall paintings and hoardings, organized a blood donation camp, and continued supporting our Goshala. A remarkable first quarter, many milestones achieved, and we're just getting started. Mount Roofing and Structures, building the future.